cars like Daddy.
JJ's car. Come on.
JJ's cars.
So let's get into it, everybody. So S. Alfred commented he wanted to see North Carolina dealer's license video. And so that's where we're going to be at right now, man. So if you're in North Carolina, hope this video helps for you. So to get your dealer's license in North Carolina, you know, in most states it's basically the same thing. If you're selling more than 5 cars in a calendar year, then, you know, they require you to get, sorry about that. They require you to get your dealer's license. But like they said, these definitions can be tricky. So if you aren't sure whether to require a dealer's license, you can call the North Carolina Division of Motor Vehicles at 919-715-7000 and ask for the License and Theft Bureau. So there's manufacturer, distributor, new and used cars. That's basically the same for everything. So they say before you can get a car dealer's license, you must have an established sales room, meaning you must have a place of business. Basically, you must have your place of business. That's basically. So you have to have at least 96 square feet of floor space in a permanent enclosed building. So 96 square feet. That's not that big. So you just need a sales room. You don't actually need a whole lot. That's pretty cool. Because it doesn't say, it just says a sales room. You just need to establish a sales room. So I guess, you know, I don't know how the buildings and stuff is set up in North Carolina. So obviously you just need a sales room with 96 square feet separate from any other business or residence. This has to be the permanent place where you're going to conduct your business. You have to have space to safely store business books, records, and files. So you have to have good space. You have to have reasonable hours of operation when the public can contact you. Display a sign with your business name in block letters at least 3 inches in high color that contrasts with the sign's backboard. Follow all state and county municipal zoning regulations. So you always gonna have to call your zoning thing. So let's get to the thing. So the cost payment of the application dealer license is $90 and it's $36 for each place. So that's not bad. Only $90 for the license and $36 for each place. So here, this seems like it's going to be a lot cheaper than other states I've seen so far. Also, you have to have a surety bond of $50,000 for one established sales room. If you have an additional sales room, so if you have an additional sales room, it's another $25,000 bond. So $50,000 bond. Like I'll tell you this, and I always reiterate this in every video. It's not $50,000 actually cash. It's like, you know, you're gonna pay like 10% of that, or probably less than that. So you're gonna be looking at a bond. The bond probably costs you on a $50,000. Probably cost you about $1,000 bond, $90 application fee, place of business. Let's see what else we got. Oh, forgot I copied off some other paper for you guys. Sorry about that. Let's get into it. So also you have to have proof of passing a 12-hour license course approved by the DMV. So you have to go to the DMV that's only for used car dealers. So you have to have comprehensive liability insurance, company policy that covers dealer's plates. So you have to have insurance on your dealer's plates. Inspection of your dealership location to be conducted by North Carolina License and Theft Bureau. So they'll get that taken care of. To start the license process, you have to fill out the dealer's license application form. Man, those seem like some pretty easy requirements. You know, if it is basically saying 96 square feet. 96 square feet is not that big. So I mean, all you need is a sales room. Really, that's pretty simple. And there's one more part to this that I'll get to you guys in the video. These videos I just want to make them like 5-6 minutes long, nothing, you know, nothing dragging it out and everything, anything like that. So also too, if you want to be like, I'm not necessarily gonna say I'm a mentor or nothing, because Carlos is more like a mentor. But me, if you want helpful advice from me and stuff like that, I give out free advice on my YouTube channel, but if you want any additional advice and stuff like that, and you want my help and stuff like that, just join the membership. The membership link will be in the description. You know, it's like, to get more access to me, it's only $5 a month, you know, so you get a lot of access to me, and I'll be helpful to, I'll answer all the questions. I'll answer as many questions as you have. I'll let you know when you buy a car, if you know, if this car, if you bought it for a good deal or not. I will let you know all this stuff when you sign up for the membership. But I will always give out free game on my channel. This is always my YouTube channel. But if you want additional, you know, help and additional stuff, benefits, just join the membership. You know, I got memberships as low as 99 cents, and the highest is $4.99. So if you can join the membership, I appreciate it. If you don't, just keep watching the videos and dropping likes on the video. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.